Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. So in this collectivo, after 2.5 hours, I have arrived at Mollepata and I was thinking about hiking from here, but there are a couple of more guys, around 5 people who are gonna do the same trail to Soraypampa, and the driver agreed to take us in 25 more souls to take it to Soraypampa. So in total from Cusco to Soraypampa we have to pay 45 souls. Due to a landslide, the collectivo dropped us around 7 kilometers away from Soraypampa, and we are gonna hike now from here. Here we have people who are talking about Indian food.
Yeah, we love it.
So what is your favorite dish?
Butter chicken.
Butter chicken. Aloo gobi, masala dosa. Okay. And you, bro?
I don't know what the name is. My mom makes this. Fish curry.
Fish curry. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So we have people who love Indian food a lot.
Yes, for sure.
Oh my gosh.
Everybody's vlogging.
The mountains with the clouds. It's so beautiful.
Hey guys, today is my first day of hike to Machu Picchu via Salkantay Pass, and this is the way which is the cheapest option and a beautiful hiking path. So I have chosen this. So this is a shared room that we have got
300.
with double beds, single beds, and it costs around 60 euro, 60
Soles.
souls. 60 souls per person, including bed, breakfast and dinner. So this is the hostel where I am staying, but these are private rooms for which you need to pay around 200 plus souls. Hey guys, now I am in Soraypampa and it is at 3,900 meter elevation, and just from here is Humantay Lake where I'm gonna hike now, and it will be around 1.5 hour of hike, and tomorrow from Soraypampa I'll be heading towards Salkantay Pass. After an hour of hike, I am at Humantay Lake and it is at an elevation of 4,200 meter. And look at this beauty. I'm gonna fly my beast here. Hope you guys enjoy it. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. And here I have some Dutch brothers,
Yeah.
but they are half-breed, you can say, Indian and Dutch.
Indian roots there.
Indian. Mother is from India,
Hell yes.
father is from Dutch.
That's Yeah. right.
Netherlands.
The best mix.
There are multiple ways by which you can do Machu Picchu. The expensive way is Inca Trail hike, which costs approximately from $600 to $800 or euros, and usually you cannot do it yourself. You have to go through an agency. That is the rule. Second thing is a bit less expensive and very much feasible for family, people, and someone who does not want to take much pressure, and that is through going via a train. So you can take a train from Cusco and go to Machu Picchu directly. The third option is the adventurous option, which if you are like me, what I am doing is going through a Salkantay pass, which is approximately 4,600 meter altitude. Everyone is playing pass here, passing the pasta. If you guys like the video, please do share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.